And this is basically step 4 in the harvest process. The thresher machine comes in to separate the rice from the waste, chaff, mulch that spits out there to form a big pile. And there's the bundles of rice, and the people just put the bundles up and they're fed into the machine. You can see how there's three or so people working there, and one person feeds it in to separate the rice. And you can see the bags of rice there, those white bags, they're the bags of rice. It's bagged on the spot, the rice comes straight out into bags, and then they just take away the bags of rice. And it leaves behind these huge piles of waste, spent chaff, mulch, whatever you want to call it. So step 1 was cutting the rice. Step 2 was tying it up into bundles. Step 3, you gather all the bundles into one big stack. Then step 4 is a thresher machine that comes in to separate the rice. And sort of step 5 was the stacks of the mulch, which I collect whenever I can. And there's the people taking away the bags of rice. And the spent chaff, waste, whatever you want to call it, left behind. And they're using those Thai style tractors to take the rice away. And there's still people working out there. You can see how heavy those bags are.
And for good measure, one more look at the hive of activity in the rice fields behind our house here. There's a harvester, another big pile over there, bags of rice. Trucks, bikes going past. Another huge pile. The harvester was working over there as well. I mean the thresher, not a harvester. That machine that separates rice. It was there as well today. And now it's over here. And this field's just about done. And as a final bonus, I pick up nice mulch from the rice fields, or rice mulch, bags and bags. That's nice stuff there. You can see that's what's been separated from the rice, from the chaff. So the chaff is very nice stuff. The stalks just makes a thicker, coarser mulch. And I just collect bags and bags from the rice fields behind. And you can see how I'm prepping these Thai pots. Just put in a layer of rice mulch down. There's rice mulch in that garden bed I made down the bottom. And you can see all around the garden nice rice mulch, like so. I've got chili plants there, and there's nice mulch. And this Thai pot here is being prepped with rice mulch down the bottom. So that's the final bonus for me once the rice is harvested, is to collect up all these bags of rice mulch. Nice for the garden. And check it out, guys, all that hay and chaff that was separated from the rice has been burnt. It's all going to waste. That's Thai style. I wanted to go in there and collect more for the garden. That to me is a major waste. What they do in Thailand, just burn it. They're still working over there. There it is. My mulch going up in smoke.